Hey friends, Ash here with Gents. Hope that you're doing well. Got a mystery haul for you today. So FragranceBuy sent this to me and I've got no idea what's in these boxes. They sent me this one and then also this one. It's kind of heavy. So it's like a Black Friday mystery box kind of thing. So hopefully within these boxes are going to be some hit fragrances, some stuff that smells amazing, and hopefully not some stuff that smells like dishwater. We'll find out. So let's jump into it. Let's crack into this. Let's see what we got here. Before I crack into these, because God knows how long this is going to take, I don't know how many's in here. Let's talk about the Black Friday sale on FragranceBuy's website. So the Black Friday sale is running through Sunday the 28th at midnight. Then after that is Cyber Monday. And Cyber Monday just runs Monday through till midnight. So just one day on that one. So if you use the code 10BF21, which is 10BF21, and that'll get you 10% off your order, assuming it's over $30 Canadian. That's for Black Friday. And then there's code B3G2, and that's kind of an interesting code. So that's buy 3, get 2, 30% off. So basically, if you have 5 things in your cart, the 2 cheapest things are 30% off. So you could kind of, try out both codes, I guess, see which one saves you more. And then on Cyber Monday, code CYBERSHIP21, CYBERSHIP21. That gets you free shipping on anything over $49 Canadian. And you get double sprays for their loyalty program. So that's what's going on Cyber Monday. And then there's also a whole bunch of door crashers and stuff like that. So the first page that you see when you log on to FragranceBuy's website, that has a bunch of fragrances for great prices. So check those out too. All right, let's see what we got going on here. We'll open up the little box first because I figure I can probably get through that one quicker. And yeah, see, it's unopened. I don't know what's in here. Let's see what we got in here. Packaging. All right, in box number 1, we have Offnon Supremacy in Oud and Perry Ellis M. I was trying to make it do a pop noise. It wasn't working for me. How do you like that packaging? That's yellow. Good old Perry Ellis M. Yeah. Oh, it's weird. It's like oily. Bottle is oily, like somebody put sunscreen on it. So Perry Ellis M I own already in a 100 ml size, not this 50 ml here. And this alcohol off the top, my friend. It's an alternative to Allure Homme. It smells nice though. Yeah, so here's mine, King Dingaling, and here's a little 50 ml, like a little baby. We'll probably go ahead and give this one away since I already own it. But yeah, it's a nice and inexpensive alternative to Chanel Allure. As far as inexpensive fragrances go though, if you've never smelled M, it's a pretty nice one. It doesn't cost all that much. It's got a nice vanilla note to it. Good quality. Next up, let's check this out. Supremacy in Oud. It feels like I can't escape Offnon lately. It's just like getting inundated with Offnon. Presentation on these is really nice though, as far as clone fragrances go. Classy. And it opens up like that, and no, you're not done. You've got more right here. And then that comes out. Ooh, very reflective. There's your bottle, looking nice. Yeah, these Offnon presentations are pretty good. All right, let's do it. I'm doing everything on tester strips because I got this big box. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to spray enough on, I'm not gonna have enough different spots to spray on skin. Supremacy in Oud, what do you got for me? Yeah, that's actually pretty nice smelling. I like that. You've got that oudiness up front. It's, very lightly animalic, just kind of around the edges. Woodsy, slightly sweet, but in an oud type of way, an oud type of sweetness. So if you're not accustomed to how that can come across, it might be maybe a little weird for you. This is actually really well done. Yeah, the quality on this is good. Really familiar smelling. It comes across like Oud for Greatness a bit by Initio. So I guess it's not really a surprise, is it? There have been a lot of clones of that fragrance that have come out here recently, and this would appear to be one of them. Off a tester strip, it's well done. It's close. It's close. And I love the presentation on this one. These Offnon Supremacy bottles, I really like the gradient Really good. So that's nice. Nice. 2 bottles so far. No stinkers. No trash. Here we go. Nice. Your fragrance wardrobe just got cooler. Did it? We gonna find out. All right, what we got here? This is Love by Zadig and Voltaire, a little 50 ml bottle. We have Clive Christian. All right, I can get down with that. And geez, man, holy crap. Mask Milano. This is the biggest friggin' box. Woo. I banish you to the shadow realm. So, I guess the small box was the cheap box, eh? And the big box, the expensive box.
Let's open Zadig and Voltaire.
This is Love. Oh, it's a 30 ml. That's not a 50. I was wondering, it's a little baby bottle. Zadig and Voltaire, they make pretty nice fragrances, especially for the price. You know, from discounters, they don't cost that much. The quality's good typically. So I'm anticipating this one to be pretty good. Pretty good. Let this settle for a second. Have a sip of coffee from my Legend of Zelda cup or mug, whatever. Let's go ahead and give us a smell. See how it is. Yeah, I like it. I wouldn't say I'm in love with it. It smells like a little citrusy, little floral, a little creamy, sweet, touch of like a floral powder, but around the edges, it's not really pronounced. Bergamot, orange blossom, sandalwood. Yeah, that makes sense. So it's like a toned down take on the original. You know, made a little better for warm weather situations. But I think the original Zadig and Voltaire, This Is Him, is more interesting. I think it's a better fragrance overall. Again, not that that one's bad. It's just not as good as This Is Him for me. All right, let's do the Clive Christian next. Wrap it up with the Mask Milano. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful Tarocco orange. Yeah, just take it in. Very green, very nice. Very expensive. This is a limited edition from the original collection, it says. This is bottle 1442 of 2000. Ooh. Try not to horrifically damage this box while we open it up. Slide this box out here. A box inside a box. Clive Christian right there. It's got a nice, very slight rubberized feel to the outside. Ooh, opens up like so. And there we have it. Look at that, very regal. There's a little card here, I believe, or a little booklet. Got a little seal on the back. Look at us, we're fancy now, aren't we? Pinkies up in the air. It's talking about how Clive Christian is #1 and how they rock and how they rule and how your lady loves them, stuff like that. So this one has sparkling lemon and bitter Tarocco orange, and they tingle with warming ginger, melting into a base of creamy sandalwood to create a limited edition twist on the classic 1872. Get with it. Thank you, Clive Christian, for that fine booklet. And here we have 1872 Tarocco orange. All right, let's spray this on. So I really like it. But it's a classic gentlemanly style. Yeah, this has that kind of throwback kind of masculine scent profile with a sharp lemon on the top. I've got to look up what this bad boy goes for. I'm curious. Okay, so it retails for $550 for a 100 ml, $350 for 50 ml, also known as not cheap. Let's look up FragranceBuy. Have it for roughly 181 US dollars. So that's a lot, you know, that's a big difference. So now there's more citrus coming in here, different citrus. The lemon hits off the top for me, at least this first time I smelled it. Like I said, kind of sharp, throwback style. But now you've got some more citrus coming in, kind of a mixture, you know, of citruses. Florals underneath, rich, adding some depth. Really does smell high-end, classy, does come across smelling quite expensive. And it's that type of scent profile that you would expect somebody who's maybe middle-aged or older with a lot of money to wear. Like I said, that kind of classic gentlemanly kind of style, but still with a good amount of freshness to it. Really like it. Retail, but discounted price. If you like high-end fragrances, it's worth checking out. Mask Milano La Tessa, Luca Maffei. This thing is monstrous. Holy crap. Yeah. I understand why it was split up into 2 boxes, you know, seeing this thing. This is a monster. Oh, really nice. Leather on top here. Squishy soft. Reminds me a bit of some of the old Xerzhoff packaging. It was done up really nicely like this. I'm not saying that Mask Milano ripped them or anything like that. I'm just talking. And ooh, look at this. Ooh, how luxurious. Even comes with the bag. This is quite the honkin' presentation. Oh, and what is inside the bag? It's a golden ticket to Willy Wonka's factory. No, it's just red cardboard with nothing on it. Oh man. Dang. So here's the bottle. Very nice, very pretty. Melting clock on the front, Salvador Dali-esque. Mask on the back. Luca Maffei, perfumer right there up at the top. And you just put it in the bag, see? You put it in the bag. You do that, and now you got a potion. You just hook that to your belt, and you just walk around with it. And then when you smell it, when it smells good, you just pull it out. There you go. All right, for real, let's spray this on. Looks like we got the notes on the box here. Top of bergamot, neroli, and champagne, also known as champagne. And the mid, iris root. Well, 2 different types of iris root, French and Italian. Also Italian iris absolute, tuberose absolute, and ylang-ylang. And in the base, sandalwood, oak moss, and leather. Nice pressurized atomizer on that too. The classiest Mask Milano bottle that I have. And also the biggest. Woo-hoo-hoo! I like it. It's that iris. That iris is slapping and kicking and punching right in my nose, and I love it. I'm here for it. Yeah. If you're not a fan of iris, though, you're not gonna like it. I'm gonna hit the skin here. Ooh, come to me. Yeah, that's really good. Best for last. Let's get it. I mean, if you don't like iris, though, okay, you probably are not gonna like this. It's rich. There's the faintest hint of like a sparkly sweetness on top. Really faint. The iris has this little touch, this sprinkle of earthiness over top of it. Not really makeup-y, just rich, smooth. I hella like that, okay? A lot. I gotta be fair. I gotta pop this one on my other hand here. It's really well done in a classically masculine sense. Like I said, very fresh, easy to wear in spring. You could wear this in summer, early fall, but this one's my favorite. This is my favorite. Yeah, this is kicking, punching, slapping, all the things. Friggin' pile driving me into the ground. And I love it. It's me from the future. Just a really quick update. So this one, Clap Christian 1872 Tarocco Orange. This one I really like as it starts to dry down. It does get better in my opinion. Florals come out more, citrus tones down, but I like it. It's a nice kind of change and it adds some complexity. A little bit nicer than maybe I originally had thought. Not that I thought it was bad to begin with, just gets better as it dries down. Those changes are nice. And then this bad boy. Now this is not gonna be for everybody. It's pretty dry, it's powdery. The iris is definitely heavy in the opening in the mid. As it dries down, it gets a little bit more masculine as some leather starts to come out. So while in the opening, it's gonna come across quite unisex, and I love the opening of this one. As it dries down, this one changes as well, and I just wanted to let you guys know. So like I said, when I was smelling it before, if you don't like iris, you're not gonna like this one. And I would say maybe even more so than I let on before, if you don't like iris, for sure, stay away. For me, I love iris, so love that one. All right, that's it, just an update. All right, that's it for this haul. And I gotta say, I think we just went like that, you know? I said I was gonna give away that bottle of M, and that really seems anticlimactic now. After I got these two, it's like, here, let me give you a bottle of M. Everybody's like, oh, thanks. So yeah, I'll give away the bottle of M I'll probably throw in some other random stuff, you know, spice it up a little bit for you. But if you want to be entered in that giveaway, just like this video, be subscribed to the channel. So if you're not, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment below. Just let me know which of these fragrances interested you the most. That's all you got to do. About 10 days, I'll pick a winner with random comment picker posted up on the community tab of my YouTube channel. If you're subscribed, you should see that. And then you just hit me up if you're the winner and I'll ship that out to you and throw in some other goodies. All right, that's going to do it for me. Shout out to FragranceBuy.ca. Again, check out their stuff they're doing for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. If you're watching this in the future, that's probably already over. Stay safe out there. See you guys tomorrow with another fragrance video. See you later.